Kala ko ako lang.
Continuation ng video ni
Napagod
Sheila
po
at
ba
ang
kayo?
tagal
Parang
niya dun sa
sabihin naman
taas.
sa akin na bakit hindi ko mapil yung tanda ko na.
25 years old ka nga daw, maximum.
Oo nga eh.
Nakita lang niya ako nakatalikod.
Right? You said that she is 25 years old.
Because,
Something like that.
Because I
Ate,
have a
pwede ka na pong tumingin yan.
grandmother 51, so it's a huge difference. I mean,
Layo pa, huwag kang
Kaya nga siya nagtanong,
mag-aalis na naman dyan.
bakit anong kinakain natin? Kasi daw, ikaw 52 na. Yung grandmother daw, yung 51.
Ilang taon na ba siya?
Hindi yung kanyang grandmother daw, 51 na. Parang, it's
Wag
a
ulitin.
very big difference. Parang,
lola na.
talaga matanda na, very tired na daw. Kaya nagtanong siya.
Hindi baka grabing trabaho din.
Mahirap ang buhay din.
Pagkain, sabi nga niya, sosyalerang tingnan mo.
Eh, parang may silbi pa mo.
Eh, sakit na nga ng puwit ko dito sa bato.
Sheila, professional ka na. Anong ginagawa mo?
Patay.
Lin.
Mag-free fall ka konti dyan kasi ano.
Diyan din ako nangatog-anto ko dito.
in which part in Israel did you
Jerusalem.
live?
Jerusalem. All of us.
Jerusalem. Oh my God, I'm so jealous.
Why?
Because I was in Jerusalem for 1 week, so it's great city.
It's great. It's a great city.
It's a city that I would like to
Live.
yeah.
So maybe you can marry an Israeli girl, that's so you can stay here.
Maybe. Who knows?
Yeah,
Who knows?
I think they have a very great job here. But you need to think that
Tingnan mo.
And
Nakahawak
I
din
need
siya
to
dun
speak in
sa
Hebrew.
tali na hindi dapat hawakan.
That's
it's not so